it is question number first, do yourself. Now we discuss question number third. It is also minimize. In these questions we have find the minimum value of z equal to 18x plus 10y subject to constancies. 4x plus y is greater than 20 equal to 20. 2x plus 3y greater than equal to 10. xy greater than equal to 0. Now first of them, this is in equation first, this is second. We write this in equation in linear equations. Now we write is linear equation. 4x plus y is equal to 20. 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. Now we have discussed, this is equation third, fourth. From equation third, we have find the value of x and y. This is x and y. We put in equation third x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 20. If we put y is equal to 20, 0, then x is equal to 5. This is the value of equation third. Now from equation 4, we get the value of x and y. From this we have put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 50. This is the value of x and y in this equation third and fourth. Now we make the graph of this equation. This is your x and y axis. Here x, x dash, y, y dash. Now we find that this is the origin. Now we write the value of x is 5. Here the 15, 20, 10. Now we take the difference between 5. It means 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now this is also 5, 10, 15, 20. Now draw the linear equations of this first. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 20. This is y is equal to 20. This is x is equal to 5. This is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0. Now join these points with the help of scale. This is in equation first. Now after this we have find the equation of this. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, this is 10. X is equal to 15, this is 15. Now join both points with the help of scale. This is in equation second. Now we find the common area between these graphs. For this, put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equations first and second. First we put in equation first, then says that 0 is greater than equal to 20. If we put this value in this equation 0, 0, 0 is greater than equal to 20, which is false statement, then close up plane became the opposite to the origins. It means this is origin. Now this area becomes toward upward the origin, opposite to the origin. And in equation second, 0 is greater than 30, which is also a false statement. Then this area is also opposite to the origin. Now the common area of this, both these have becomes like this. This is the common area of both in equations. We take this area not including this. Now we find the point of this line. Now this is the point of A, this is B, this is C. These are 3 points on common area. Point A, B and C makes common area of 2 in equations. So now we have find the point of this A. Coordinate of point A is this is the value of a y. Y is 20, then x is equal to 0. 0, 20. Now we discuss C. Find the point of B. We have discussed this equation first and second intersect at a point. We have find intersection point of this. So first we find the point of C. It is easily find out. Here the point of C. This is your point of C. This is on x-axis. The value of x is 15 and y is equal to 0. 15 and 0. Now we discuss the point B. Now we solve these two linear equations. 4x plus y is equal to 20. 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. If we multiply this equation 3 and this equation 1, to then 12x plus 3y is equal to 60. 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. Now subtract. Here the y is equal, then minus minus minus. This cancel. 10x is equal to 30. X is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation first. 12x plus y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 8. Then the coordinate of point B are x3, y8. So now we have value of A is 0, 20. 18 multiply 0, 10 multiply 20. 0 plus 200, we get 200. Then we multiply, put the value of B. B is 3 and 8. 18 multiply 3 plus 10 multiply 8. 54, 80 means 134. And third value C is 15 this. 18 multiply 15, 10 multiply 0. Now we discuss this 15, 18, 120, 270 plus 0. It means 270. Now in these three value we have take minimum value. Minimum is सबसे छोटी value कौन सी इनमें से? We take this is the minimum value of all these. So now minimize z is equal to 134 at x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. Now questions number 4 and 5 same as question number 3. You have you have discussed already yourself. Do yourself in these questions. Only 5 questions we have done from this